Good day, my dear friends. My name is Altana Tajikova, and welcome to my English lesson. And the theme of our today's lesson is What's your personality? For the students of the fifth form. And the aims of our today's lessons are, by the end of the lesson, students will be able to learn different types of personalities and recognize their personality and describe their friends, relatives by using adjectives. Dear students, how do you think and what is personality? And now look at the picture and say what these words mean. How are they related to this word, personality? These words are psychology, character, behavior, sensation, functioning. And I hope that you can answer to this question. What's personality? Personality is an individual's characteristic pattern of thinking, feeling, and acting. And at the beginning of the lesson, let's watch video about personality. Are you ready?
Your character and personality. If you're nice and friendly to other people, you're warm, kind, pleasant, sweet, and good-natured. And if you're not, you're cold, unkind, unpleasant, horrible, unfriendly. If you love communicating with other people, you are an extrovert, which means you're sociable and outgoing. People who like talking are talkative and communicative. If you don't like communication, you are an introvert, which means you are quiet, reserved, shy, or taciturn. If you are relaxed in your attitude or manner, you are positive, optimistic, cheerful, easygoing, laid back. And if you are not, you are gloomy, pessimistic, negative, miserable, or tense. People who think about others' feelings are sensitive, tactful, thoughtful, delicate, caring. And the opposites are insensitive, tactless, heartless, cruel, and cold-hearted. People who prefer telling the truth are honest, truthful, sincere, frank. And those who don't are dishonest, liars, insincere, deceitful. So a liar is a noun. If you are open to new ideas and different views, you're open-minded, unbiased, flexible, and tolerant person. And the opposites are narrow-minded, biased, bigoted, intolerant. If you know what you want and intend to reach your goals, you are determined, strong-willed, strong-minded, resolute, confident. And if you don't, you are undetermined, weak-willed, indecisive, irresolute, unsure. People who love working and work a lot are hard-working, industrious, diligent, ambitious. Ambitious people usually have a plan for life. And the opposites are lazy, idle, sluggish, unambitious. Those who learn and understand things quickly, rational people, are intelligent, clever, bright, and smart. And those who don't are unintelligent, stupid, or foolish and silly. But foolish and silly are not so strong in meaning as unintelligent and stupid. If you care for other people, you are an altruistic person, which means you're unselfish, considerate, and noble. And if you don't, you're selfish, self-centered, and vain. These are people who think only of themselves.
From the video, you met different types of personalities. They are intelligent, selfish, generous, active, sociable, honest, hardworking, romantic, optimist, shy, confident, thoughtful. Let's take a closer look at some of them. He works very hard. And how do you think? What's his personality? Yes, hardworking. How do we call a person who always tells the truth? Right, you are. Honest. And next, you are very positive about the future. And of course, it means that you are optimistic. And look this picture. A person who doesn't think about other people. We call them selfish. Good of you. And can you find the next word? A person who gives a lot of time or money to people. Who are they? Yes, generous. Look, she is nervous about meeting other people. And how do you think? What's her personality? Of course, shy. You like talking to other people. And what's your personality? Yes, sociable. Next question. A person who is quiet and serious because he's thinking about something. Do you know? Yes, thoughtful. You are in love. Yes, romantic. Let's look next picture. You are very sure of yourself. And it means that you are confident. Well done. A person who can think, understand, and learn things fast and well. How do we call them? Right, you are. Intelligent. You have a lot of energy and can do a lot of things. It means that you are active. Good of you. And now, let's complete the sentences with an adjective. Anara always tells the truth. She is very... Alisher is a person. He often gets nervous when he meets new people. I don't like Asqat. He always thinks only about himself, and he never thinks about me. He is so... My friend likes reading a lot, and he knows so many interesting things. I think he is really... Aygul is a very person. She often buys me something to eat. And I hope that you can easily do this exercise. Let's check your sentences. Anara always tells the truth. She is very honest. Alisher is a shy person. He often gets nervous when he meets new people. I don't like Askan. He always thinks only about himself and he never thinks about me. He's so selfish. My friend likes reading a lot and he knows so many interesting things. I think he is really intelligent. Aygul is a very generous person. She often buys me something to eat. And it is the end of our lesson. Take your homework. Let's describe your friend with the help of the today's adjectives. For example, your friend is shy, honest, and sometimes she is thoughtful. And like this, at home, describe your teacher's personality and your mother's personality. And dear students, I hope that my lesson was useful for you. I wish you good luck. Thanks.